Example 1.13, first chapter. This is a very important question for your board exams. So this question says that an early model of an atom. So atom is considered like this, and at a point nucleus is at the center and like point. So the question is that we have to calculate electric field inside this atom and outside the atom. Let's say the radius of this atom is capital R, and we have to calculate the electric field at a distance, let's say small r, outside the atom or inside the atom. So two cases we will discuss. The first case, let's say case 1, that is r less than r. So for your r less than r, we can write E dot your surface area, that is flux, is equal to, from Gauss law, Q inside by epsilon naught. Now what is Q inside? I think this is little, and with carefully you can think. So inside this surface, that is Gaussian surface, we have hypothetical surface. So inside that, Q inside is equal to how many number of positive charges are there now, or in the nucleus all the positive charges are there, so JD. And how many electrons are there? Let's say the density of the electrons is rho. So the volume of this small sphere is 4/3 pi small r q into rho. Rho is the electronic negative charge density. Now you can see we can calculate this rho. What will be rho? Rho is the density of electron, that is total number of charge minus JD by volume of this atom, that is 4/3 pi capital R Q. This is your rho. So now we'll use this rho here and we can find out Q inside. So Q inside will be JD minus 4/3 pi RQ minus JD. This is multiplied. This is plus, right? Q inside is positive charge plus negative charge. So this is plus minus JD upon 4/3 pi RQ. So this is your Q inside. 4/3 cancelled out, pi cancelled out. So you can write JD minus JD RQ by RQ is the Q inside, charge inside the sphere, the small Gaussian sphere we have drawn. So what is your surface area of this small sphere? E dot surface area is magnitude of we will write. Surface area is 4 pi r square, small r square, is equal to Q inside is just we calculated, that is JD minus JD RQ upon RQ by epsilon naught. So this is your E dot for pi r square. Now we are interested for E. So E will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught r square, and the terms jd minus jd rq by rq. So you can take jd also outside. E is equal to jd upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon r square minus this r square will be divided, so r upon r cube. So this is what your electric field at a distance, r, which is r from the center, which is inside the atom. Now the second case we will discuss, that is we'll calculate the second case, that is r greater than capital R. R greater than capital R means suppose somewhere here you are supposed to calculate the electric field. Now same formula will use, that is E dot delta S is equal to, from Gauss law, Q inside by epsilon naught. Now you can see that this is Q epsilon, that E dot delta S is fine, but Q inside for this Gaussian surface, that is small r, which is including all the charges inside the atom, that means number of negative charge and number of positive charges, those are equal in an atom. So you can write that net charge inside is 0, so your electric field will also be 0 for r greater than r for an atom. So this thing you try to calculate. This is very important question for your board, you can say, and this question comes also many times. The only technique in the beginning we have used, that you have to first calculate the density of negative charge and positive charge separately. Density of negative charge you will calculate, and you will use that in the a region where you are finding out for the small r, the total charge you are calculating, Q inside. For that you will use that rho. Okay, so let's stop here. I will discuss another problem in the next video.